Hi friends. Hi friends. Today we have going to see very important point from the pair of straight line. That is the find conditions. You have to find the conditions of the pair of straight line. There is a question is like this. Find the condition that the line 4x plus 5y equal to 0 with one of the line given by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 means you have to find the condition that the one of the line from this equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square, it has the two lines passing through the origin, and from that two lines one of the line is this 4x plus 5y equal 0, and you have to find the condition. Answer is like this. Let given equation of line ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the joint equation, which is joint equation this, and in that equation there are the two lines passing through the origin. Remember this. First you have to find the auxiliary equation by this equation, means we have to divide by x square on both sides. Therefore divide x square x square x square, x square by x square plus twice hxy by x square plus by square by x square. It can be written as by by x bracket square, 2h x cancel, 1x cancel, therefore y by x plus a equal 0. That is, you have to put y by x equal to m, therefore bm square plus 2h m plus a. It is the auxiliary equation. It is means you have to first convert that equation by auxiliary equation. That is this is equation. And but you know, one of the line is given, so you must find the slope of that line first. If the slope of the line is 4x plus 5 equal 0, the equation is minus a by b equal to a means 4, b means 5 minus 4 by 5. Put this minus 4 by 5 in this equation at the place of m. That is m equal to minus 4 by 5. b minus 4 by 5 plus twice h minus 4 by 5 plus a equal 0. Therefore b into 16 by 25 minus square is plus that minus 8, 4 into 2 minus 8 by 5 h and a. You have to multiply bigger number on both sides. Always here see 25, here is 5, but bigger number is 25, so you have to multiply by 25. 25 multiply 25 multiply 25. Therefore multiply here, multiply here, multiply. 25 25 get cancel. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Therefore here remains 16b. Here remain 5. Therefore 5 8s are 40 minus 40h plus 25a. This is the minus 16a minus 40h plus 25a equal to. This is required condition. This is condition that at that condition that line is the one of the line of this equation. It is called condition. We have to find the condition of equation. It is the first question. Second question is like, find the condition that the line 3x plus y equal to 0 may be the perpendicular one of the line given by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal 0. Previous example they have given only one line, but here that line is, this line is perpendicular to the one of the line. Similar method, that is auxiliary equation. We have to first find the auxiliary equation from that equation, that is divide by x square on both sides, divide by x square, divide by x square, therefore y by x put, that is m, that same equation bm, it's the auxiliary equation. But slope of the one of the line is 3x plus y equal to minus a by b minus 3 by 1. But this line is perpendicular, so you have to take the slope m reciprocal and change the sign. Remember this. If this is the perpendicular line, then you have to get the slope of your required line is reciprocal, that is the minus 3 by 1 reciprocal 1 by 3, and that is change the sign, minus sign becomes the plus, m equal to 1 by 3, and put that 1 by 3 here. Very simple. Similar step, look here. First dividing by x square, like this become like this, then put m, that auxiliary equation become the auxiliary equation, then find the equation of slope of that equation, given line, and then it is perpendicular, so take the reciprocal and change the sign, m put here in the place of m. Therefore b 1 by 3 bracket square plus twice h 1 by 3 plus a equals 0. That is 1 by 3 is square 1 by 9, 2h by 3, and a bigger number 9, so multiply by 9, 9, 9, 9. Therefore b 3 1s are 3 3s are 6h plus 9a is it is the condition. It is the condition. Another question is like that, show that here they have given the find the condition, but here they have given that condition and we have to show them. I mean that they have given the answer in the example and we have to show that. Similar question but small different. Find the condition that if one of the line given ax square plus twice hxy by square is perpendicular px plus qy, show that ap square plus 2hx hpq plus q bq square equal to 0. Means that equation, that condition you have to find out already, but that in this show that equation they have given this condition, we have to find that answer. Similar, let the auxiliary equation of the line represented, that is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 divided by x square. Similar way, that is m, put m bm square plus twice hm plus a equal to 0. That is the slope of the given perpendicular line. Here they have said that the perpendicular line is, that is perpendicular line px plus qi is that minus a by b means minus p by q. Slope of required line is perpendicular means reciprocal and the change the sign q by p, that is the q by p. M. Put that value of m here, b q by p bracket square plus twice h q by p plus a. Here b q square by p square plus 2h q by p plus a. P square is bigger, multiply by p square on both sides, bq square p square into p square plus 2h q by p into p square plus ap square. P square get cancelled, 1p get cancelled, you will get, that is the bq square plus 2h pq, 2h q pure pq plus ap square, and this is proved. You have to find out, you have to show that is ap square plus twice h pq plus pq square. We have the answer. Means we have to given the answer in the question. That is the show that question. Another question is like this. If a slope of one of the line given by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 is 4 times the other, then show that 16h square equal to 25ab. It is very important question. It is very important question. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the representing line ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. That is the sum of the slopes is m1 plus m2 minus twice h by b. Product of the slope is a by b, and by condition, what is that condition? One slope is the 4 times the other. One slope is the 4 times other in the example that they have given. Therefore m1 equal to 4 times m2. Equation 1 and 2 become, there put those values. M1 equal to here 4m2 and here 4m2. Therefore 4m2 plus m2 5m2 minus twice h by b. It is the condition. Those conditions you must remember. And 4m2 into m2 equal to a by b. 4m2 equal to 4m2 square, m2 into m2, m2 square, therefore m2 square equal to a by b. Here from this condition you have to find the m2. 5 brings here, transfer here, therefore m2 equal to minus 2h by 5b. Put that m2 in this equation here. Means first you have to put m1, 4m2, 4m2. From that you have to find m2 and put in this equation here m2. And you will get 4 into 5 h square, that is the 4 2 square means 4h square, 5b means 25b square equal to a by b. That is 4 into 4 16h square, 20, that is h square, and 25b square into a means a by b 25b square, 1b 1b get cancelled, therefore 25ab. That is the condition you have to find out. Next question is like, if one of the lines given by the ax square plus twice hxy by square bisects the angle between the coordinate axis, show that is a plus b bracket square equal to 4b square. It is also very important. Previous example also very important. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines required, represented by the lines in the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus b. Similar way, m1 plus m2 equal minus twice h by b, m1 m2. This is the formula. But one of the line bisect the coordinate axis, means coordinate axis firstly makes that is 90 angle. Bisect means 45. That is theta equal to 45. m1 equal to 45. Tan 45 means 1. Therefore equation becomes, one of the line bisect means slope of one line is 1. 1 plus m2 equal to minus twice h by b. 1 into m2 equal to a by b. 1 plus m2 equal to minus twice h by b. And m2 equal to a by b. Here we have to put the value of m2 here. 1 plus a by b minus twice minus plus minus twice h by b brings here plus twice h by b equal to 0. You have to make the denominator same, that is here 1, you have to take here 1, then cross multiply b plus a, here b plus a divided by b plus twice h by b common, take here, transfer to the RHS, it will become 0. And that is a plus b, here become a plus b equal to twice h transfer here minus twice. Squaring on both sides, you will get a plus b bracket square equal to 4h square. And you have to find the condition like this. On this you have to solve some of the equations as a homework like this. This is the example I have shown. You will solve the examples. Four examples, that is for homework. And how to solve, that is the hint also given below the example. If study this, if any problem, ask me. Stay home, stay safe, remain in study. Thank you.